Hello everyone. Now we are going to start new chapter, and this is the last chapter of our grade 7, that is wastewater story, chapter 19. So what is wastewater? Well, wastewater is water that is discharged by various places. From various places the water which is coming out or which is discharged to sewerage system, to sewers, that is wastewater. If we talk about our house, then kitchen wastewater, toilet wastewater, and cleaning water, the water that we use to clean our house, so and washing clothes as well. So all these waste are comes under the category of wastewater, and finally it goes to the sewerage system, to sewers. First of all, sewage. What is sewage? Sewage is the wastewater which is carried away in sewers. So wastewater is basically called sewage. So sewage is the wastewater that is carried to away in the sewers, that is carried towards the sewers, the underground pipelines. Okay, so sewage is basically wastewater that is coming out from our homes, hospitals, industries, and agricultural wastewater also, that carried along with the rainwater. Next one is sewer. So what is sewer? Sewer is an underground water pipe which carries away dirty water, wastewater in it. Okay, so sewer is basically pipelines in which our wastewater is discharged. The wastewater that is coming out from various places is discharged to sewer, correct? Next one is sewerage system. What is sewerage system? It is an underground network of interconnected pipes. So many pipes are interconnected in underground. That means sewer, underground pipe in which wastewater is collected, discharges sewer. So it is network of lots of sewers, lots of pipes that carries wastewater from places where it is produced to the sewage treatment plant. Finally, this wastewater is carried to the sewage treatment plant, and there is treatment of this wastewater. Usually it is done there, and then that wastewater becomes purified, and it is utilized by supplying it to various places. So we'll study about how wastewater is going to treat, how we can treat wastewater. So sewerage system understood. Next one is types of sewage. Before knowing about types of sewage, I want to tell about the sewerage system. Once again, there are lots of pipes are connected in sewerage system, and you must have observed a main hole, a kind of lid on the roads with a gap of 50 or 100 meters. So that main hole is basically, under that main hole there are 2-3 sewers are connected, pipes are connected, and then that is connected to a bigger pipeline. So that is main hole that we can see over the surface of our road. And finally all these pipes connects to a bigger one, big sized pipe, and that big sized pipe carries sewage to a treating plant, water treatment plant, and there it is treated. So what exactly is found in sewage? Obviously our household waste, kitchen waste, that is domestic waste, like kitchen waste, toilet waste, washroom waste, and whatever things that is going on in a house, the water that is utilized for that purpose, that is comes under the categories of wastewater. Apart from these, hospital waste, industrial wastewater, and agricultural wastewater, all these are comes under sewage. So sewage not only sewage is not having only water, but there are so many dissolved impurities as well as suspended impurities are found in sewer. Sewage, basically sewage is the wastewater. So domestic sewage is toilet fecal matter, and the chemical water, that is the chemical soap that we use for washing clothes as well as cleaning our body. And apart from these, kitchen waste, for kitchen also we used to, in kitchen we used to wash vegetables, fruits, grains. For that also, that water is also wastewater. Then something like for cleaning utensil we use soap, so that soapy water. So few of these are having suspended impurities, like when we flush our toilet, in that toilet fecal matter is there, toilet wastewater, so there is suspended impurities, fecal matter. And if we talk about soapy water, in that mostly there is invisible, that is mixed, invisible waste particles are there in water, that is called dissolved particles in water, that carried away from our home, basically from our home to sewer, that is called sewage. So sewage is wastewater, sewer is the pipeline. Understood? Next one is commercial sewage. Commercial sewage is basically produced in commercial places like industries, hospitals. In industries, chemical waters are discharged. In hospitals, medicinal water, and so many things are there is utilized in hospitals. So such kind of wastewater is there, as well as flush of toilet, obviously. School as well, in school also lots of wastewater is discharged to the sewer line. Next one is industrial, already we have discussed. Rainwater. Rainwater is one of the important wastewater. How? Because rainwater not only collects the waste materials from our home, rooftop, or from the roadside, or wherever the whatever the places we can see, but apart from these, rainwater also collects agricultural waste, agricultural chemicals as well. For farmers, they use chemicals like the different kinds of fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides. Finally all these goes to the water bodies, and so that finally those water comes along with the rainwater and goes to the sewerage line or water body. So in this way the wastewater is collected and it becomes sewage actually. Okay. So next one is contaminants found in sewage. So what are contaminants found in sewage? Organic impurities, inorganic impurities, nutrients and microbes. Organic impurities are like fecal matter, food and vegetable, fruits and vegetable waste materials, different kind of grains wastewater, that carries organic impurities. Inorganic impurities, so many chemicals, that rainwater carries along with it. Inorganic, some nutrients as well, farmers use some nutrients also for plants growth, those nutrients also comes along with the rainwater. And microbes are found everywhere in our environment, so it is also found in soil, that also goes to the water bodies, to the sewer. Okay, now this topic is covered, and in next topic we'll discuss much about wastewater. Till that, you look at the screen.